Hello, fellow English students. Welcome to English Language with Teacher Nick. I'm Teacher Nick. I'm so glad you could join me. Today, I will explain the root word logos. Logos is a Greek word, and it means word, or it means reason or thinking. Reason, logos, logic. Logic is a word that we get from logos. Logic is the understanding of if I know one fact and I know another fact and I put those two facts together, I can think of new facts. I can understand something more if I think of facts together. Let's give an example. If I know that I like to eat fruit and you show me this new fruit called a banana, I should go ahead and try the fruit because I know I like fruit. Banana's a fruit. I probably like bananas. That is to apply logic to two different facts. If this, then that. Very often logical statements include the words if and then. Logic then means a way of thinking about something. Logic is a noun, logical is an adjective, and logically is a verb. Let's talk about the suffix ology. Ology uses the root logos to describe a certain school or a way of thinking about things, or an organized body of knowledge. A lot of things to think about all at one point. Ology then ends so many words in a science department or a school. Ology means the study of. We have many words formed with the suffix ology. The first ology word to talk about is anthropology. Anthropo comes from a word that means mankind. Misanthrope is a person who hates mankind. So anthropo can mean mankind in lots of different words. Anthropology is the study of humankind and the things that might be specific to one culture, or we might see them in many different cultures. Anthropology. Archaeology is the study of what is old. We have another word, archaic, that means very old. Archaeology. Astrology. Astro means star, and ology means the study of. Astrology is a magical belief that the planets and their relationship to each other have an effect on human lives. Biology. Bio means life, ology means the study of. Biology is the study of life and its systems. You will see the root word bio in many different words that describe life. Cardiology. Cardio is the heart. Arrest means to hold, so cardiac arrest means your heart stops. That's another word for a heart attack. Cardiology is the study of hearts. Cosmology. Cosmos is everything. Cosmology is the study of the cosmos. It's the study of everything, of matter and energy and how they swirl around in the universe. Etymology is the study of where words came from. Ology is the study, and etym means the truth or the original idea. Etymology means what is the original idea with this word. So this little guy is studying words. I am constantly reading etymological texts to do research for these videos that I make. Etymology. Geology is the study of the earth. Geology will study the physics behind the formation of stones. There's all kinds of wonderful things to study in geology. Here's one of my favorites, mythology. Mythology is the study of the stories of different cultures, called myths. This is oncology. Oncology is the study of tumors or cancer. Tumors might grow in the body that is sick, and medicine is always studying for ways to stop the growth or cut them out, anything that they can to stop this disease. Pathology is the study of disease or sickness. We might use this word in a very wide kind of way. Pathology means it is a sickness. So if we say something is pathological, that means that a person cannot stop. They are sick and they can't stop doing it. A pathological liar can't stop lying. Pathology is the study of sickness. This is psychology. Psyche is the word for the spirit in Greek, and in our understanding of psyche, it will be a person's personality, some of their subconscious traits. A lot of different ideas might go in a rounded understanding of psychology. Psychological would be the adjective. Psychology is a noun. The study of the way people relate to each other is sociology. Society is the name of all of the people and how they relate to each other. Society, sociology. This word is theology. Theos is the Greek word for God, so theology is the study of God. Here's another personal favorite of mine, zoology. Zoology means the study of animals. You might recognize the first three letters as zoo, a place where you can go see animals. There are other words that use the root, logos, without ology. One such word is analogy. An analogy is to say one thing is another thing, or one thing is like another thing. A metaphor or simile, these are all examples of analogy. Analogy is a noun, and analogous is an adjective, and analog is a noun. The next word is apology. Apology means to speak for someone. Apology these days means more to say I am sorry, but to apologize can also mean to argue in favor of something. This is technology. Technology is being able to use the latest scientific devices. That is technology. Technology means using science in machines. Terminology is all the words connected with a certain kind of thing. Here we have a lot of terminology that you need to know if you study grammar. This is grammar terminology right here. Thank you so much for joining me here today on English Language with Teacher Nick. I'm Teacher Nick. I'm so happy you could join me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.